Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify easy and quick. So first of all, let's type Shopify on the search like this. So first let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, let's try to create a store about toys and games. So first of all, enter here your email and click here start free trial. Now you can skip this all, just click skip all and continue. You can uh, you can choose any account you want to log in with. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So first of all, click here online store and click themes. So here you can change your theme if you want. So for example, I'm gonna change the theme. I'm gonna choose this. Now wait a few seconds to install in this theme. So now your theme is ready. So you can just click here publish and it will be published. So now you can customize it. You can customize your home page. Now click here customize. So this is your website homepage. This is your store. So first you can here if you wanna search for something, you wanna search on online store. You can if you wanna manage products, or if you wanna collections or collection lists, or pages or blogs or blog posts. Also here, if you wanna change this, you can make it like a mobile or like a full screen. So let's just click here desktop. I'm gonna keep it like this. And here if you want to edit your home page, you can edit it from here. It begins with the header and it ends with the footer. Here first we find here template, we find image with the text, featured connections, and that's it. If you want to add something, you can just click here add section, and you can just select any section you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this image banner. So that's it. uh, if you want to delete something, just select any section you want and click here remove, and it will be removed. If you want to move some section like this or whatever you want, just hold on it and you can put it at any place you want. So first let's see this the announcements bar. So here you can delete it or hide it or duplicate this section. You can also move it up or move it down. So here you can change the color scheme. You can also turn this on and show a separate line. You can turn this on and show icons on desktop. Also you can make this auto rotate announcements. You can turn this on, enable country and region selector. Also you can turn this on, enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to another thing. Here we find welcome to our store. You can change the text. You can add a link here. So you can add anything you want, like collections or products or wherever you want. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change this. You can manage the desktop logo position. For example, you can make it like this. I'm gonna make it like this. You can change the main menu. You can also change the desktop menu type. You can turn this on and show separate line. You can turn this on you can manage the color scheme. You can also manage the menu color scheme, and that's it. Here you can manage the spacing and the section padding. You can also add the social media link like Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube or Vimeo or TikTok or Tumblr or Snapchat. And here if you wanna add some image like a logo, it should be related to this business, like toys. For example, you can upload it from browser, toys logo. For example, you can uh, choose something from here, like just for example, and you can just put it here and wait a few seconds to upload in the image. Now click done. So this is your logo. Now you can change it if you want. You can add your own logo if you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to another section. Here you find the template, the image with text. Also here you can add like image related to this toys. For example, like this toys. For example, you can just any one you want, any photo. You can put it here. Now wait a few seconds. For example, you can change it if you want. You can also add the new image. Here, if you wanna change the image height, you can change you can manage the desktop image width. So here you can manage anything you want. So that's it. Now let's move on another section. Here you can change the button, the text, the label. For example, you can change it if you want, like anything you want to change it, and you can also keep it like this. Now let's move on to another section. Here find featured collections. You can change this, like you can just click here generate and it will be regenerated. You can change also this, the description. You can change the collection. It might be related to this business of the toys. That's it. Now let's get back and move on to another thing here. Then move on to image banner. So for example, you can search for here, you can add image from browser. For example, choice, like anything, you can just upload it from browser. For example, this. Now wait a few seconds to upload in this. Now just click done. Also you can add new image here if you want. You can add it here. You can change the label. So that's it. Now after we're done from this, you can edit the footer also. You can add email sign up or footer. You can edit the footer also here. You can change the heading like always. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here, save, and exit. Now you can name your store. For example, just first let's go to the home and click here store settings and name your store. So here you can name it. Type any store name you want, for example Playland. You can also add your store phone. You can change your email, and that's it. Now after you do this, just click save, and that's it. After you done from customizing your website, now all you have to do now is launch your website and publish it. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.